Hello students, welcome to online teaching standard 6 work and energy. Energy resources. The resources used for getting energy are called energy resources. They can be classified mainly into two types: non-renewable energy resources, renewable energy resources. The energy resources which man has been using for centuries are called conventional energy sources. The cow dung cakes, the dried leaves and stems of plant, wood and coal are all traditional energy sources. It also includes fossil fuels such as petrol, diesel and natural gas. We cannot replenish these resources. Replenish means cannot be obtained again and again. Wood also cannot be replenished easily. Due to the increasing population and increasing usage of energy resources, there is a danger that the limited reserves of coal, petrol, diesel, crude oil and natural gas will be exhausted. Therefore, it will be better to use alternative and supplementary resources instead of the conventional ones. Non-conventional energy resources or renewable energy resources. These resources have not been used traditionally. They are inexhaustible and continuous and can be used in various forms again and again. Solar energy. The energy obtained from the sun is continuous and enormous. Solar energy is at the root of all energy available on the earth. A variety of devices has been developed for making use of solar energy. For example, the solar cooker, solar water heater, solar dryer, solar cells, etc. Solar energy. In the first three devices mentioned above, heat energy obtained from the sun is utilized to cook food, heat water, and dry grain. In the solar cell, the electrical energy can be obtained from solar energy. Solar electric plants have the capacity to produce electricity on a large scale. A solar plant consists of many solar cells. Wind energy. Electricity is generated by means of windmills using strong winds. A windmill is also used for drawing water from a well. Tidal energy. A wall is constructed at a narrow region of a creek. Due to waves generated by high and low tides, the turbine of the generator fitted in the wall starts rotating and electricity is produced. Hydroelectric tidal power. The water stored in a dam at a height is brought down through a tunnel and the turbines of the generator are rotated. The place where electricity is generated in this way is called a hydroelectric or tidal power plant. The Koyna project in Maharashtra is a well-known tidal project. There are also other smaller hydroelectric plants located at other dam sites. Energy obtained from oceanic waves. While sea waves move forward in a certain direction, the water moves up and down regularly at a position. Atomic energy. The serious crisis of electricity shortage can be eased by generating electricity by means of atomic energy. The heat liberated during the fission of atoms of heavy elements such as uranium, thorium is used to generate electricity.